Hi everyone, today we are going to explore effective techniques for scanning black objects using our Einstar Vega. Scanning black objects, whether they have non-reflective or reflective surfaces, can be challenging. However, with the right scanning settings, you can achieve outstanding results. We select two typical objects you might feel a bit struggle to scan before you check this tutorial: a motorcycle and a screw. Black surfaces tend to absorb light, making it challenging to capture fine details. In fast mode, VXL projectors provide high adaptability on black surface. It helps us to handle the motorcycle scanning smoothly. Setup is crucial. First, let's focus on adjusting your camera settings. Click the sound icon at the left side of your screen. You will see an exposure level bar. Slide to set your camera preview exposure until you see a slight reddish tone, which means that adjustment ensures that the data preview captures a good amount of clear and complete information. And as for scanning black objects, we suggest that you can higher the level to the top in order to get more complete information about the scan data. Once your camera is set up, it's time to start the official scanning. Glare from reflective surfaces can lead to an increase in invalid data, negatively impacting the quality of the scan results. For highly reflective black or other objects, here is another useful trick. Using powder spray can largely improve your scanning results by reducing glare and helping the scanner pick up details more effectively. Spray the powder evenly over the entire surface of the object, and don't forget the camera setup. Then proceed to scan. Next challenge: scanning small objects with a black surface. Let's see how HD mode handles the scanning of black screws. To achieve optimal results in HD mode, we suggest you to use a turntable for enhance the stability and improve scanning efficiency. Also, if the object is too tiny, you can stick some markers around the main object and help you to get a more smooth scanning experience. Activate the turntable, turn on the data quality indicator, and perform 2 to 3 complete rotations to collect detailed data. During the process, you can slightly adjust the angle to achieve a more comprehensive result. By following these steps, you will be well equipped to tackle scanning black objects with confidence. We will keep updating more scan skills for challenging objects. Follow us and see you next time.